Welcome to our channel, and in this video we're gonna go over a decentralized exchange that is running on a layer 1 blockchain that is making a lot of buzz in the industry. Also, please do note that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And also, do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose, and always do your own research. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, the decentralized exchange that we're going to cover today is the Waves exchange. So Waves is a layer 1 blockchain that has made its name in the industry in the previous bull run. Okay, so it is a very fast and efficient blockchain that launched also this decentralized exchange. Okay, so what a decentralized exchange is, it's basically an exchange that doesn't require any information from their customers like passports or ID cards in order to identify their customers in the platform to comply with local rules and regulations. It's not that this exchange doesn't comply with the regulations, it's just that it's a different type of service, right? It's decentralized. Everyone in the world, regardless of where they are logging in or where their jurisdiction in, they can use this product, right? And that's the beauty of blockchain. That's the beauty of having a system that is truly decentralized and allow somebody that is in a very remote part of the world and maybe doesn't even have documentation to have a wallet like MetaMask or any Coinbase wallet and logging into this decentralized exchange and start placing trades. So this is one of the products that I really like because it gives the opportunity to people to actually use this product and truly understand and truly experience the blockchain and the decentralization that we are currently seeing all across the world. And of course, like, because we are in crypto and we understand this, but a lot of people are starting to realize how beautiful these products and services are. So first of all, let's talk about what they call Waves exchange investment products. Okay, so if we click right here, okay, as you can see, you have different type of quote unquote investments. Okay, so what are they doing is that, for example, if you provide, right, liquidity, meaning you provide an asset that you own, right, in order for the exchange to have that liquidity available for traders and people that want to place trade, right, you're gonna get rewarded to that. So there's different type of liquidity pools, right? For example, we have the Waves Neutrino, which is the stable coin of the Waves blockchain. We have Bitcoin and Neutrino, and here's the APY that you can earn based on these different pools. Okay, you can check them out right here. Then they have what they call Lambo investments. So what you do is that you basically provide liquidity and you stake USDT and USDCs. So they could be considered like more safe type of approaches. However, do your own research because this is a decentralized exchange. There's no entity, there's no individuals that have been doxxed. So I would always recommend to do your own research, and please do understand that investing in crypto is risky and you cannot invest more money than you can afford to lose, right? Then we have the liquidity pool staking and also the neutrino staking, right? Because in order to trade on this decentralized exchange, you need to have stable coins in order to place trades against another asset, right? So very important part. Okay, so now let's talk about the governance right here. Okay, so the governance, it's basically how the entire ecosystem gets regulated and work in a democratic and a community-based environment. So how does it work? Because there's no like central authority, right? It's not a centralized exchange. When a token needs to be listed, what they do is that they make a proposal to the community, as you can see right here, and then they are going to list those tokens based on the amount of yeses and no that they receive in that quorum, and in that, basically it's like asking the community, right, whether or not they want that token to be listed, right? So as you can see here, this token, Tsunami token, has been voted by 62% of the community as a yes to be listed on the exchange, and only 37% did not want this token to be listed. Of course, it's a 50-50 type of vote, which means that if the majority of the votes are yes, more than 50%, they will list the token, otherwise they will not, right? So here they have the rules on how you can vote based on the amount of waves that you have. So as you can see right here, you have all these tokens that some of them they have not been listed because they didn't pass the vote, right? Pretty simple on how you can participate and say your own in this type of exchanges, okay? Now, how you can sign up for this, right? So it's very, very easy. Basically, you can create an account via email or via the software that they will provide, okay? So you are going to create an account right here, you confirm the password, and then you will create your account, and then that will be used to into your Waves exchange. Or by email, by simply adding the email and creating the password, and then you'll receive an email confirmation and you will be able to sign up for the account, okay? So one thing that I really like about this exchange, that they do have an app, right? Because if you are a trader, right, and you want to be on the go, sometimes it's very inconvenient to sit on a laptop and place those trades, right? Because they do have their app, you can actually place trades on the go and see your trades live. And it's definitely something that I personally use in other exchanges, right? They do have for iOS, they do have it for Android, and it's a massive value for the purpose of an exchange, okay? So now let's talk about the actual trading platform, right? The trading platform is where you actually go in and place your trades, okay? So if you click here on trading, you'll be able to see here the exchange, okay? And as you can see right here on your left-hand side, this is what is called order flow, right? You see all these numbers, they're moving, they're changing so fast. Those are users that are placing trades on this specific pair right here. So the pair we are seeing right here is Waves BTC, right? So basically they trade the value of Waves against BTC. The one that you see right here in red, what they call sell orders, right? So people are selling at that specific price. And then here in green, those ones are buying orders, meaning like people are buying that asset at that specific price right here. And then right here you have your own chart, right? And over here you can basically analyze different time frames based on you know, whether you want to analyze hourly time frame, right, 4 hours time frame, and the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame as well, right? Basically what this is, right, it's a concentration orders, buying orders and selling orders over a specified period of time, right? So as you can see right here, where we had this uptrend, it meant there were a lot of buying orders, right? So demand was overcoming the supply, and that's why the pricing was going up. Conversely, on the other hand, as you can see, when the price decreases, right, you had a concentration of selling orders, right? And therefore the value of the asset was dropping. So there's different like ways of how you can see buying and selling orders. This is the very basic one, but there's more advanced views, because in reality, if you see, right, a price going up like this, you have to consider that for every share, right, for every token that is sold, there is someone on the other hand that has to buy. And for someone, in order to buy, there has to be someone on the other end that is selling, right? So that's why you see the price going up, and then the price goes down because the sellers were actually in control in this area versus the buyers. Okay, this is a more advanced concept, but I just want to introduce you to that because I think it's very something to think about. Okay, then right here you have your area where you can place your buying orders and your sell orders. Okay, so and also you can place limit orders and market orders. So the difference between those is that limit orders are orders that they give you a price based on the liquidity that is present at that given price zone. Okay, so for example, if you put here 0002, maybe you could get 002647 or even slightly higher because you need to get those orders filled, right? Instead, when you place a market order, means that the order gets instantly placed, and therefore you pay a little bit of a premium, and also you pay a little bit more fees because the exchange of course charges fees to have that, right? So what type of pairs do they offer? And by pair, I mean, what type of asset can you trade against another in this exchange? Okay, you can trade waves, right? You have ETH waves, CRV, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. So these are the pairs that are available right here. Okay, Bitcoin, you have waves, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, ETH, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Then you have the neutrino pairs. It's basically, it's the stable coin of the waves blockchain. So you have a lot of choice right here. And then you have USDT, and then USDC, and then you also have BUSD, DAI, and ETH, right? So they have a decent amount of pairs, right? You know, if you buy neutrino and you trade against those pairs, you have quite a decent option of pairs, okay? One more thing that I want to show you is their Twitter, right? Because it's something that you want to also be close by, making sure that you are connected to the community because you want to understand what's going on with the entire ecosystem, right? So right here, this is their Twitter. You can follow them. I just follow them, and they have around 31,000 followers. As you can see right here, they were promoting here the Lambo giveaway right here. They always update the community for the governance news and different type of updates that are giving to the community. Okay, so make sure to always be on top of what they are communicating on their social medias because it's very important to stay up to date with this type of things, especially when you hold money in those exchanges. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure to check all the links in the descriptions below. We always have some sweet deals going on, and let me know, what are you thinking about this decentralized exchange? And also, please do understand that trading is risky, so manage your risk and do not invest more money than you cannot afford to lose. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next.